I'm so excited to show you how I do my Cruella makeup. So let's get started. First, I start by applying an even coat of foundation all over my face. Then I take a soft black eyeshadow and fill in my eyebrows. Her eyebrows are a really thick and dramatic shape, so be sure you look at reference photos as you do this. Next, I contour my nose and make it look thinner and shorter. I also apply it around the tip to make it look like a button nose. Then I contour my cheekbones to make them a little more defined. And I highlight above my eyebrows and down the center of my nose. Then I blend it all in. I take a very deep red matte liquid lipstick and fill in my lips. I make sure to create a sharp pointed cupid's bow. Then I take this lighter red lipstick to brighten it up. Next, I use this super fun Cruella palette that is magnetic and separates. And I use the white eyeshadow from it. I apply this generally all over my upper eyelid. And I apply some under my eye as well as use it to highlight the center of my face. And around my mouth and chin. Next, I use this grayish blue shadow and drag it down the center of my eyebrows a bit. Then I create a very big wing with the shadow. And I blend the edges. Next, I take a black eyeshadow and make an even sharper wing. I also fill in a little under my eye as well to really make them pop. Next, I use this Cruella eyeliner in black to tightline my eye. Then I use the white to define around my tear duct. After that, I go in with a waterproof liquid eyeliner to really tightline around the tear duct. Then I fill in the wing with some black liquid eyeliner as well. Next, I glue on some false eyelashes. And I apply a very generous amount of mascara to my upper and lower lashes. I'm already really loving how this makeup looks. Next, I add her beauty mark with some liquid eyeliner. Then I pop in these colored contact lenses to make my eyes bluish green. I will add a link to where you can get these contacts in the description. Next, I put on 2 wig caps to compress my hair. And I put on my wig. I also put on this costume that I got from Spirit Halloween. And that's pretty much it! To do her red dress look, I just switched the wig to this fun curly one and put on this costume. I hope you guys found this quick tutorial helpful for your Cruella makeup. I have tons of other cosplay makeup and costume tutorials on my channel, so feel free to check those out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!